Hi everybody, welcome to this Solidworks Mentorship. Okay, in this Solidworks Mentorship, I'm gonna show you guys that it's very easy to use Solidworks, and not only that, to tell you that Solidworks is not means for engineers only. Solidworks is a software which is used for by engineers drawing 3D shapes, doing a lot of things, So it's very easy to learn how to use Solidworks. Your kids, yourself, it doesn't have any age. It's not only for engineer. Everyone can learn how to use Solidworks. So in this video here, not only this video, this full mentorship, I'm gonna show you slowly, and I'll be giving you homeworks. Show you how to draw shapes. Solidworks, you can literally draw everything you want, through this. You can make money, using this, because I'm gonna give you an example. There's a lot of people buying things like accessories, a lot of things. You can draw something, you need it, gonna print it in through the printer, and after that, you can use it and sell something and sell it. Let's just say you wanna draw a lot of things like cover or other things. You can use these Solidworks and draw them and keep selling them. You can make a lot of money from it. So in this video here, gonna be the first video. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teach you how to draw in Solidworks. I'm gonna show you a lot of things. I'm gonna give you homeworks. And the shapes that I'm gonna draw here gonna be for beginners, for someone who doesn't know actually anything. And I start from zero. First, the thing gonna draw are gonna be very easy, So you guys can start drawing from that. So, and I'm gonna give you homeworks. I'm gonna give you homeworks. You guys are gonna go home, repeat this using you'll be already at home, So you'll be using your laptop, desktop, wherever you have the Solidworks software installed, and start drawing. I'll be drawing things here. You're gonna say it's very easy, I can do it. But please, if you do not repeat it by yourself, you're gonna say it's very easy. I've seen this guy, he drew it, so I can do the same things, So the thing that I want you to do, go and repeat. This is not easy. You don't have to follow certain rules. You have to draw what you want. You can draw what you want, only following just your mind, your imagination. See, like for example, as you see me drawing this circle here, I'm just drawing like this, I can decide to draw something else. So another thing that I want to tell you, Solidworks gonna help you because a lot of accessories have been used. See, like this one here, can consider can print it and through the printer, use it on something if you want, or some people, if people already needed something like this, like the thing that people use with smoking, I don't know how we call it exactly, So it's very easy to do what you want in Solidworks. But for the first video for today, as I told you what you can do is, I'm gonna delete this and we're gonna start with our first shape. If you wanna reach one of these, as you can see, these are things that I've drawn before using Solidworks. So you guys, if you wanna know where I'm taking this, I'm gonna leave a link down the description. Actually very easy. Okay, let's make a line. This only your imagination view things here, only your imagination. As you guys, you don't know actually what I'm drawing. It's gonna be a little bit very hard for you to imagine what I'm doing. It's gonna be just a simple shape, just like this. It's not finished, it's not done. So I'm gonna give this one here 70 millimeter, because everything here is in millimeter. 70 millimeter. Okay, done. And this part here, I'm gonna give okay, something has happened, not a problem. Control Z, I'll be back. Okay, I have to cry and start saying that's it's happening. This happened to my laptop. Now you're 70 millimeter. Okay, I want to also give this one here 50 millimeter. 50 millimeters. See, these are parts of the drawing that I'm gonna teach you, you know. So don't worry, you're gonna ask yourself, what is he drawing? What is he drawing? Those are very, very easy small shape that I'm giving you guys. You know, try them at home, you know, and work, trying to learn, exercise yourself. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna give this one here like 16 millimeter. Okay. No, actually I want this one here to be horizontal. So I'm gonna here select it, choose this one here as a horizontal. See me like a mistake, something wrong, because this one should be vertical. Gonna keep giving me like this. So I'm gonna also choose this one, remove this one, come here first, vertical. Yeah, see, this will give you this one also another vertical, like this one vertical. Okay, see, that's a lot of work. Actually, it's very easy. I will show you another way how to draw this. Okay, here we go. So right now I need a circle here. Now make a circle. See, actually the circle now is in the space. It doesn't have any relation with it. So for me, I'm gonna link this circle and I give it like a 16 millimeter diameter, 16 millimeter, very small. And I'm gonna make another big circle. Okay, another big circle. I have to create the circle here first. Do like this. For this one, I'm gonna give like 28 small dimension. I give 28. All these things showing you when I show you guys where I find these pictures, I want to share with you, so don't worry about that. See, okay, I want to do something very easy. I'm gonna take this circle here and choose also this one. See, I'm gonna make them tangents. Very easy. That's tangents. Also, I'm gonna delete these parts, trim these, delete this, because I need here to brown the circle, and also delete this and this. See, right now I'm just gonna delete also this one here, take another one, just go straight and apply this. Can be here, you can choose here, you know, and I'm gonna trim around this. Shape is done, finish. Gonna see there's something wrong. This one should be 50. See, there is the measurement right now. Smart dimension. See, 37, and it should be 50 meter. Yeah, here is 50 meters. Zoom. See, I'm gonna delete this and choose this small dimension. When I give one, should be 14. Let's choose 28 as diameter. So our shape right now is done, fully finished. See, it's what I have right now. This is what you guys are gonna see in this card. So I'm gonna take it to a 3D extruder boss. See, I'm gonna choose like 10 millimeters diameter, 20 millimeter. See, I'm gonna choose like a 15 millimeter. So I have to type it 15 millimeter. Yes, done. See, finish. You may ask yourself, what is this? You guys can use it for a lot of things. You see, I want to just give you an example. You see, can I use this? See, you hang it in the wall, 2 of them, put, you know, and then and put your jacket up here, you know, just all put your jacket, 2 of them, 3 of them, leave no jacket. See, it should be like, use your imagination and create something. So this guy, this is gonna be your first shape today. So for next time when I share Discord, just follow Discord. You will see all the pictures I'll be sharing in what you are going to draw. Guys, take care. I have a lot of things I'm gonna show you, you know, but as I was saying, Solidworks is not only for engineers, everybody can learn how to use SolidWorks. Everybody can draw, can make your life easy using the SolidWorks. And if you have a 3D printer, your life will be very easy using this, because a lot of people spend their money using accessories, using accessories, like buying them. They go buy accessories. So this one, like, is something very simple. You can use a lot of things, push something, you can use a 3D printer and do this. I want to give you another example. As I was saying, like, you need something, you have to buy it. You're going to put your pencil, and I use at home, so I'm going to do open up a new file, came here, new parts. They just say you just need to place, or something to put your pencil, or your pen in your table. Just gonna do something very easy. What I've done before, I've shown you. I have this. I'm gonna make a circle. So now I'm the one drawing. I'm gonna give like 60. I give like 60 here. Done. I need 60. I have to delay this. Here at 60. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm going here. I wait a little bit. I'm gonna take it up. So let's say this is enough. I can say this is enough. It's up to me. I can give it 100. So you give it 100. Millimeter. Done. See? It's 100 millimeter. So we have this. But right now we have actually nothing yet. If I decide to do this, to draw here, which I'm gonna do like this, choose this plan, sketch, another circle here. See? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove these extruded cuts. I'm gonna cut this. Also gonna do just like this, like this, the 90 millimeters. Done. Can leave this at your house. Start put your pen here or pencil. We're like, I don't like the design, anything. Okay, you can change it. Like Control Z. See, I'm gonna do like another Control Z. So this circle we go. See, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose this one right now to change a little bit to make it look beautiful. See, like this. See, do this, came here, you cut. See, you got it. See, you're gonna have these beautiful things. Put your pencil here if you want. It's up to you. So you can draw a lot of things. You can even do 100 of them, 1,000 of them, and start selling them. You can write your name here. There's a lot of things that you guys can do with SolidWorks. You can change the color. See, change the color you want. We have the colors here. Choose plastic. We have this here, for example, painted. We have red. See, it's fully. It's very rich. You can do a lot of things you want. But I'm not going to do this. I'm going to go back to when I'm going to save this. I just want to give you an example. What are the benefits of this? What you can learn with this. I'm not going to save it. It means we come back to our first step. So you guys, I want you to go back home and repeat this shape that I've done. You'll be at home, as I already said. I want you guys to repeat the same things. I want you to draw this. At the end, it's gonna be a surprise. At the end, when we finish the sessions, a mentorship, it's gonna be a surprise. I think it's gonna be very difficult. Slowly. But you guys are gonna learn something at the end. And there is surprise, as I've said, it's the prize to win. Guys, take care. So see you next time.